bitno, čim je uvijek konvoj što mora. Tamo su uvijek.
Evo, imaš akcija.
Samo čekamo nešto, onda kad stočimo sadnice.
Ja mislim da imaju neku ili zlato ili neku količinu ili Vijena registracija.
Vijena? No, we're just wondering. It's the first time I see such weed trucks. They're from Austria. It's very important.
Yeah, isn't it? Yes. The armed police everywhere. Not.
Yeah, those are those special units. I mean,
Is there anywhere any of these buildings in there they got stuff in them over on that building?
No.
Vidiš, unutra su ostrici.
No, I'm a tourist also, and I really haven't seen such a scheme.
Oni će staviti.
Sad allowed
Sve lahko snemamo, a ne?